Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my night skincare routine. For me, my night skincare routine is really important. मतलब morning routine भी है, but in during the morning time, उसके बाद I come for shoot, apply makeup. So there's something on my skin all the time. But at night, it's the best time to use the products with ingredients, and your skin get the longest time with the products, so they can work really well and you see better results. So for me, my night skincare routine is really important, and the links of all the products which I'll be using in this video will be given in the description box below, so definitely check that out. And now let's get started with my night skincare routine. Okay, so every time my first step is removing my makeup. It is really important that you remove your makeup, and most of the days मेरे चेहरे पे मेकअप रहता है, तो वो हमेशा ही मेरा फर्स्ट स्टेप रहता है. So I'm using my Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil. I'm more of a cleansing oil person than the micellar water. So every time I want to double cleanse, तो मैं oil use करूँगी, and then I'll use a micellar water which I have right here. I have the Plum one. I really like this product, and I'll take in a good quantity, like good 2 pumps. Warm it up and massage on my skin, and trust me, nobody looks good when they're removing their makeup, especially जब आप eye makeup निकाल रहे होते हो. So this removes my eye makeup, my waterproof makeup, everything really nicely. And I've stopped using the cotton pads. Now I use these towel. I think they've got the makeup erasers, और इनसे ना एक ही wipe में all the makeup just comes off, and I really like that. So all my makeup is off, and you guys can see इससे बहुत ही easily निकल जाता है, and then you can just wash it and keep reusing it. And now I'm just going to wash my face. मैंने देखा है काफ़ी लोग हैं ना, they just use a micellar water and then they put a cream, but I like to always double cleanse, so I will always use a face wash. So as you all know, these days I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Absolutely love this one. The fragrance is amazing, काफ़ी easily और बहुत ही deeply ना it cleans your face, which I absolutely love. So make sure that you always double cleanse your face, because हमें लगता है कि makeup remover से सारा makeup निकल गया, but after washing it's like completely off and it just feels amazing. Now my next step is the serum. I'm using the Dr. Sate's Neem and BHA Spot Clarifying Serum. So why I started using this, because sometimes especially in this season, you get a lot of acne, you get these acne spots. To control them ताकि नहीं हो, even this product also dissolves your blackheads. So I started using this one like 3 weeks back, and I've seen a huge difference. Right now I don't have any acne on my skin. Touch wood. So yes, this got salicylic acid, neem oil, green tea extract, and this is such a beautiful product. So I take like good 2 pumps. So this product will fight acne, clear out your pores, dissolve blackheads, and because this got neem oil and tea tree oil is going to help you with breakouts. Neem is really good for your acne. Also because it's got BHA, which is going to smoothen up your skin. If you have redness, it's going to help you with that. Salicylic acid is going to help you with cell renewal, and your skin will be all amazing, and I'm been loving this product. So after applying my serum, I have added this new step in my night skincare routine, which I've been loving. It's an extra step, like extra good food for my skin, which is an emulsion. If you guys don't know what emulsion is, basically उसका जो texture होता है, it's thicker than a serum and it's lighter than the moisturizer. And I have got the Dr. Sate Rose Hip Retinoid Power Emulsion, and I'm so happy with this product. This got the right amount of retinoid, and you're supposed to apply at night. ऐसे बोलते हैं कि retinoid सिर्फ रात को ही apply करते हैं. So got the right amount of retinoid. It's like 1% and 0.5% of gram active retinoid. So it is going to be good for every skin type, so you don't have to worry about that. Even if you have like sensitive skin, this is going to work really well for you. And I just again take like 2 pumps of it. So the Rose Hip and the Retinoid Power Emulsion harnesses the power of retinoids all while being gentle on your skin. This is very good if you have like sensitive skin. It is going to help you with acne, anti-aging, going to brighten up your skin. And make sure that whenever you're using an emulsion, you have to use a moisturizer after this. All the Dr. Said products are paraben free, vegan, non-toxic, sulfate free, so basically all the good things. Now, because we're using so many products, make sure that the quantity of products is very less, so that it's not too much on your skin. And that's why you guys can see right now my skin doesn't feel any oil or greasy or something like that. And next up is my eye cream, and I've been using the Skin Organic one. I have spoken about this before and I love this one. और काफ़ी finish भी कर दिया, so I'm just going to apply under my eyes. And always massage with your ring finger. So next step is my cream, which is the HA gel cream. You guys know I love this product. I have again spoken about it so many times. So I'm just going to take very little abhi, because in the morning मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लगाती हूँ, तो रात को I'm doing a lot of steps. So I'm just going to take a little bit and apply on my face. और मैं ज़्यादा मसाज नहीं कर रही हूँ because I'm going to use a rose quartz to massage it. So I'm just going to apply it like this. तो मैं अपनी क्रीम को ना I don't completely massage it because I massage it with my rose quartz, and this is so good. It really helps you with blood circulation and I love this. I've been using it from a very long time and I just massage really well. So because we're doing like so many steps, make sure you sit and do these steps aram se. Give your skin some good time at night, because these products are going to be really good for your skin. They're going to work on all your skin concerns. And now because we're doing like skincare, we don't have to forget our lips. I'm going to use the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I've been using it since a very long time, and I don't think I will ever shift to any other product because I love this one so much. So I'm done with my skincare routine. It is going to take some extra 10 minutes to do it, but make sure that you do it, because of course when we're making a video, we're explaining about the product, so it takes a longer time, but normally it doesn't take so much time. And even if it takes, please do it. Please do your skincare routine religiously. Even if you're using like 3 products, make sure that you use them every single day to see results. So now I'm just going to quickly braid my hair. I always like to before I go to sleep, but I always do my night skincare routine before my dinner. So now I'm going to go and have dinner and then go to sleep. So yes, I hope this video was helpful. I hope my skincare routine was helpful for you. Again, I'm gonna give you links of all the products in the description box below, and if you have any questions, comment down below. I will reply everyone. I'll try to reply everyone, but अगर आपको कुछ भी question है, for sure I'll reply. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.